Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to do live streaming on a new project. Gate will add 9 spot trading pairs including Bitcoin and Bitcoin to USD1 and Ethereum to USD1. First of all, we should open another tab and search for Gate.io, and here go to trade and go to spot, and in spot trading let's search the USD1. First of all, we have to buy this USDT. We have USDT in your, if you have a USDT in your account, you can trade for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and there are 9 coins where you will trade. And first of all, you have to buy this USD1. And how to buy it? First of all, you can see this current market price is almost near to the 1 USDT price. Its price is 1.0016 USDT. Almost equal to USD. And how to buy? Come to this section, and here you can buy and sell USD and USD1, and you can set the limit. Here is the market stop limit and advanced boards. I will prefer you to buy on the limit because you can set your own limit on which price, but its price is almost equal to USDT. So your price is almost already entered. You have just to enter your USDT amount you want to buy. You can enter your amount in the form of USD1. And let's suppose we want to buy 50 USD1. If you enter 50, then you have to pay 50.08 USDT. Click on buy USD1 and your USDT will be purchased. And if you want to sell USD1, you can come here and price is already entered, you can see, and just enter your amount you want to sell. Like you want to sell now 50 USD1, then click on sell button and your USD will be sold. So you can see your buying price and selling price will almost equal. Just buy USD1, and now let's see what we are going to do. After purchasing USD1, to enrich trading options and enhance user experience, Gate will add a new USD1 trading zone to the spot trading market at 6 UTC on July 22, 2025, and launch the following USD1 trading pairs. First one pair is Bitcoin to USD1 trading pair. Let's go to this. This is the USD1 spot trading pair, and in this you have to trade Bitcoin by using USD1. And I have told you how to buy USD1. The current market price of Bitcoin in the form of USD1 is 1,17,390.3 USDT. The market price has increased to 2,245 USDT. It is 1.97%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of Bitcoin was 1,17,530 USD1, and in last 24 hours, the lowest market price of Bitcoin was 1,14,666.5 USD1. In last 24 hours, and the 112.35 Bitcoin has been traded, and in last 24 hours, 13.09 million USD1 has been traded on this Bitcoin. And here is the chart of the Bitcoin, a 1 hour chart. Let's open this chart. And you are watching this chart. This starts from 22 July, and now it is 26 July 2025. And 22 July, it started from 22 July, and you can purchase Bitcoin here. And Bitcoin market price now is very down, and we can set the you can see the market price now going to increase. You can buy it and trade. uh, let's see. And this is the order book. Here you will watch two types of orders: the selling order and buying order. In selling order, you can see these values are the selling orders. Traders have made orders on these prices. They want to sell on the in this prices like 1,17,437.1 USD1. And buyers want to buy at these prices. And there are almost 50% buyers and almost 50% sellers. Thank you, Gate users, for following me. And you can buy this. You can trade in this USD1. You can buy Bitcoin. Here you can enter the amount in the form of Bitcoin or in the form of USD1. You can also set limit. Limit you can increase or decrease price from here. Just you can change the price here, like you want to buy at 1,17,300 USD1, and enter your amount in the form of Bitcoin. In like you want to buy one Bitcoin, or you can write in fractional values like 0.005 Bitcoin. Uh, if you will enter your Bitcoin amount, then the USD1 amount will automatically be entered. And if you enter USD1 amount, then Bitcoin amount will automatically be entered. Just click on buy Bitcoin, and your Bitcoin will be uh, purchased, and buy order will be set in this order book. When your order will match with the selling order, then you will get the amount Bitcoin amount in your account. Then sell it when you feel that now you are getting profit. Sell in this section. Enter your amount here. Enter your price you want to sell. Enter your amount in the form of Bitcoin or in the form of USDT. Then click on sell button, and your Bitcoin will be sold. If we see the 1-day chart in the Bitcoin, the market price of Bitcoin is going down from daily chart. Let's see. If we pick a scale, the first day the market price of Bitcoin went up. First day the market price of Bitcoin was open at 1,17,495.8 USDT. Market price went up, and was closed here, and it was 1,19,876.0 USDT. Market price of Bitcoin on the 22 July 2025 had increased to 2,392.1 USDT. It is 2.04%. There was a profit of 23,921 USDT. In this one bar, means 1 day, 12 Bitcoin has been traded. Only 12 Bitcoin has been traded on the 1 day. Next day, the market price of Bitcoin went down. Let's see, the market price of Bitcoin was open at this point. This is the red candle. It means that market will go down, and market price went down and was closed there. And let's see, the market price of Bitcoin was open at 1,19,899.9 USDT. Market price of Bitcoin went down and was closed at 1,18,727.8 USDT. In this one candlestick, the market price went down to 1,172.1 USDT. It is 0.98%. And 11,721 USD1 was the loss in this one candlestick. And in this 1 day, 32 Bitcoin has been traded. Next, let's see in this candle. This is another bearish candle. And in this candle, market price also went down. Let's see. Market price of Bitcoin was opened at 1,18,679.9 USDT. Market price went down and was closed here. So market price on the 24 July 2025, the market price of Bitcoin was open at 1,18,679 USDT, and it dropped down to 1,18,261 USDT. Market price of Bitcoin has decreased to 418.6 USDT. It is 0.35%. 4,186 USDT was the loss on that day. And in that day, 62 Bitcoin has been traded. Next day, market price of Bitcoin went down again. The market price of Bitcoin in the form of USD1 was opened at 1,18,297.2 USD1, and market price went down and was closed at 1,17,471.9 USD1. So market price of Bitcoin has decreased to 813.3 USD1. It is 0.69%. There was a loss of 8,133 USD1 in this one day, and 62 Bitcoin has been traded in this one day. Next, on 26 July means yesterday, the market price of Bitcoin, it means the today, you can see it is UTC time. We are using UTC time, and it is 26 July 2025. The market price of Bitcoin was opened at 1,18,285.2 USDT. Market price went down and was closed here, and 1,17,364.3 USDT. It is market price had decreased to 71.7 USDT. It is 0.06%, and there was a loss of 718 USD1. And in this one day, 24 Bitcoin has been traded. And let's get some information about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is ranking on number 1, and its market cap is 2.34 trillion USDT. Circulating supply is 19.9 million Bitcoin, and its release date is 30 August, November, 30 October 2008, and its issue price was 0.0025 USDT. All-time highest market price of Bitcoin was 1,22,838 USDT, and all-time lowest market price of Bitcoin was 67 USDT, and it was issued in 6 July 2013. Maximum supply of Bitcoin is 21 million Bitcoin, and fully diluted market cap is 2.4 trillion Bitcoin. Total supply is 19.9 million Bitcoin. If we see USD1, then let's get information about the USD1. USD1 World Library Financial Project Report. USD1 is a fiat-backed digital asset designed to maintain a 1-1 equivalence with the US dollar, launched in April 2025 by World Library Financial, a financial technology firm headquartered in Miami, Florida. USD1 aims to streamline digital transactions by providing seamless fungibility between fiat currency and digital assets. The stablecoin is issued and legally managed by Bit2Go Trust Company, a regulated trust entity based in South Dakota, ensuring full compliance with US regulatory standards. USD1 is ranking on number 1, and its market cap, the total value of cryptocurrency or token currently circulating and traded in the market. Market cap is calculated by multiplying the current price by circulating supply. And the circulating supply of USD1 is 2.15 billion USD1, and its release date was 11 July, 11 April 2025, and all-time highest market price of USD1 is 5,000 USD. It was on 2 June 2025, and all-time lowest market price of USD1 is 0.9663 USDT. It was issued on 27 June 2025. Fully diluted market cap is 2.16 billion USDT. Total supply is 2.1 billion USD1. Market cap of fully diluted market cap is 100%. Number of holding addresses are 61.82 thousand. Listed CEX are 42, and core algorithm is BEP20 ERC20. Market sentiment is neutral. And you can go to this website wordlibraryfinancial.com, and here is the Twitter. Who are the team members? The team members are Zach Witkoff and Steven Witkoff, Zach Folkman, and next one is Chazo Hero. Now let's go to our next. We have explained Bitcoin to USD1 trading pair. Next one is Ethereum to USD1 trading pair. Let's click on this link. And here is USD1, and the current market price of Ethereum is 3,745.45 USDT USD1, and market price of Ethereum has increased. It had increased to 128.06 USD1. It is 3.4%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of USD1 was 3,757.42 USD1. And in last 24 hours, the lowest market price of Ethereum was 3,597.89 USD1. And let's see and the information about the Ethereum. Ethereum is the decentralized open source blockchain platform that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications. It operates using Ether ETH and not only facilitates the functioning of various cryptocurrencies, but also enables the execution of decentralized smart contracts. It is ranking on number 2, and its market cap is 452.06 billion USDT. Circulating supply, the amount of cryptocurrency or token that is currently available and being traded in the market. The circulating supply of Ethereum is 120.71 million Ethereum, and its release date was 23 July 2014. Its issue price was 0.308 USDT. All-time highest market price of Ethereum is 4,878.26 USDT. It was issued on 10 November 2021. All-time lowest market price of Ethereum is 0.439 USDT, and it was issued on 20 October 2015. Maximum supply of the Ethereum is infinite, and fully diluted market cap is 452.06 billion USDT. Let's see, go to charts about the Ethereum, and let's see how is the market price. And let's zoom it, and you are watching here Ethereum, and from this project was started from 22 July 2025. At that day, the market price of Ethereum was market price of Ethereum has increased, and market price of Ethereum was opened at this point. First market price went down because there is a lower wick. First market price went down, then again market price of Ethereum went up and was closed at this point. So and we are reading the values from opening and closing point, and just the market price of Ethereum was opened at 3,692 USDT 1, and market price went up and was closed at 3,747.3 USD 1. And market price of Ethereum has increased to 55.29 USD 1. It is 1.5%, and 5,530 USD 1 was the profit in this day. On this day, and in this one day, 256 Ethereum has been traded. On next day, 23 July, the market price of Ethereum was opened at it was opened at 3,745.98 USD 1. Market price went down, and was closed at 3,627.48 USD 1. And next is you can see on next day, it is 24 July, and at that day the market price of Ethereum was opened at 3,627.48 USD 1. Market price of Ethereum first went down to this point, then again market price went up and went up to this point, then again dropped down and was closed at this point. So in this day, from opening and closing of the day, the market price of Ethereum was open at 3,624.85 USDT. Market price increased and has increased to 3,703.85 USDT USD 1. And in that day, the market price of Ethereum has decreased to 78.99 USD 1, and it is 2.18%. 7,900 USD 1 was the profit in that day, and 520 USD 520 Ethereum has been traded in this 1 hour. Next, at that day, it is 25 July 2025. The market price of Ethereum was open at 3,703.85 USD 1, and market price went up and was closed at 3,718.99 USD 1. And in that day, the market price of Ethereum has increased to 16.45 USD 1. It is 0.44%, and 1,646 USD 1 was the profit. And in this 1 bar, meaning in this 1 day, 782 82 Ethereum has been traded. Next, it is the 5th day, means 2 days. The market price of USD 1 was open at this point. The market price of Ethereum was open at 3,720.96 USD 1. Market price went up and was closed at 3,745.32 USD 1. And at that day, the market price of Ethereum has increased to 25 USD 1. It is 0.67%, and 2,502 USD 1 was the profit at that day, and 440 Ethereum has been traded in that day. So overall, the market of Ethereum is bullish. So market price is going high overall if we see the market. Now let's go back, and we have discussed this two, Bitcoin to USD 1 and Ethereum to USD 1. Now the number is Solana. The third one is Solana to USD 1 trading pair. Let's click on this Solana link, and here is the Solana. ranking on number 6. And the current market price of Solana is 186.03 USD1, and its market price had increased to 7.64. It is 4.28%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of Solana was 186.63 USD1, and in last 24 hours, the lowest market price of Solana was 176.47 USD1. In last 24 hours, 7,720 Solana has been traded, and in last 24 hours, the turnover of USD is 1.42 million. Solana was founded by farmer engineers from Qualcomm, Intel, and Dropbox at the end of 2017. It is a single chain trust proof of interest agreement which focuses on providing scalability without reducing decentralization or security. Solana is a high performance blockchain protocol designed to enable scalable. You can buy and sell Solana at this point, and here is a price is already entered. You have to enter the amount you want to buy Solana. Let's suppose you want to buy 1 Solana, then its price is 186.03 USD1, and click on buy Solana. Your Solana will be purchased, and if you want to sell, then you can come here and enter your amount in the form of Solana. This is the limit. You can go to market. Here is the market. Buy and sell on best market price, and there is stop limit. You can set the limit price here, and you can set the stop limit here. Means you want to buy at this price, but you will stop when the price will be less than that or greater than. If the price is greater than that USDT, and here is the sell stop limit. In this, you can set your stop limit and want to sell at the price. When you see the market price is less than, like when the market price will go less than 5, this is the 186, then we have to set when it will go to 170. When the price will reach to 170 USDT, then it will automatically be sold. Here available bots, you can use these bots also to trade. Here is the limit. Set your limit, then you can do spot trading on the market, sell and buy on best prices. Now let's go to the charts of this Solana. Let's write the text here so that SO USD1 spot trading. You can see the first day on 22 July, the market price of Solana was open at 199.54 USD1, and market price went up and was closed at. You can see the market price was closed at. It was closed at 205.6 USD1. The market price of the Solana has increased to 6 USD1. It is 0.04%, and 606 USD1 was the profit. And in this one day, 1.18 thousand Solana has been traded. On next day, at 23 July 2025, the market price of Solana was open at this point. Market price went down and was closed at this point. So market price of Solana was open at 204.97 USD1. Market price of Solana went down and was closed at 189.33 USD1. Market price of Solana had decreased to 15.63 USD1. it is 7.63%, and there was a loss of 1,564 USD1. In this one day, 3.745 thousand Solana has been traded. Next day, the market was also bearish, and market price of Solana was opened at this point. Market price went down and was closed at this point. So market price was open at 189.39 USD1. Market price of Solana went down and was closed at 182.5 USD1. So it is the market price had decreased to 6.89 USD1. It is 3.64%. And there was a loss of 689 USD1, and in this one day, 4.364 thousand Solana has been traded. On next day, the Solana market price was open at this point. On next day at 25 July, the market price of Solana was open at the market price of Solana was opened at 181.48 USD1, and it market price went up and was closed at 186.4 USD1. So in this one day on 25 July, the market price of Solana has increased to 4.91 USD1, 82.71%. And 491 USD1 was the profit for this day, and in this day 4,249 Solana has been traded. For next day, you can see this is 26th July 2025, means at today the market price of Solana was open at it was open at 186.65 USDT. Market price went down and was closed at 185.76 USD1. It is 0.82 and market price had decreased to 0.82 USD1. It is 0.44%. 83 USD1 was the loss in the Solana market, and 1.835 thousand Solana has been traded at that day. Now let's go to the first page, and we have discussed the Bitcoin market price and Ethereum market price, Solana market price. Now let's go to B2 USD1 trading pair. And here is B. Its full name is Boil Down. B current market price of B is 0.562 USD1. The market price of B has dropped down in last 24 hours. Its market price has decreased to 0.022 USD1. It is 3.78%. In 24 hours, the highest market price of bull B was 0.607 USD1, and in last 24 hours, the lowest market price of B was 0.5252 USD1. In last 24 hours, 538.96 thousand B has been traded, and in last 24 hours, 307.45 thousand USD1 has been traded on this B. This is the order book, and these are the trades. And first of all, let's get some information about the B, means boiled down. B is ranking on number 152, and its market cap is 564.7 million USDT. The circulating supply of B is 1 billion B, and the release date is 15 May 2025, and all-time Highest market price of B was 13 July 2025. It is 0.613 USDT. All-time lowest market price of USD1 was 23 0.1327 USD 1, and it was issued on 23 May 2025. Maximum supply of USD1 is 1 billion B. Fully diluted market cap is 564.7 million USD1, and total supply is 1 billion B. Market cap of fully diluted market cap of B is 100%. Number of holding addresses are 67.19 thousand. Listed CEX are 33 and core algorithm is BEP20. Market sentiment is positive today. And let's read about this. What is B means boil down. Build on the BSC mascot of a building. Build on is not just a meme. He's the face of BSC's building culture in a chain driven by builders. Build on is the mascot, the momentum, and the movement currently leading real USD1 construction on chain right now. Our core mission is simple and serious: to build USD1 into a living, liquid, scalable on-chain asset. As a meme born on BNB Smart Chain, Build On is the first project to embrace USD1 not as a narrative but as a mission, actively pushing it forward with real liquidity and use case construction. Launched the USD1 trading pair, hosting USDT1 trading competitions and liquidity incentives, creating real scenarios for USD1 usage and on-chain functionality. This is not just a slogan, and this is a USD1 being deployed on BSC. Build On is not just vibing USD1, he is building it with mission, coordination, and liquidity. How to buy and sell? Here is the buy and sell session. You can set your limit. You can click on this market and sell and buy on the best market price. And most of people use the stop limit, use this method to buy and sell, and some people use this limit also, and you have to enter your amount in the form of B or in the form of USDT and click on buy button, and same as on this sell button. Let's read the chart. And here is the chart. Let's zoom it, and let's move it here, and I am going to write the text here. We are here for we are doing spot trading. And the market pro of USD1 was opened at 22 July 2025. This project was started on 22 July, and now today is 26 July. On first day 22 July, the market price of B was opened at and this point market price went up, and was closed at the point. So market price of B was open at 0.5308 USD1, and it was closed at 0.5436 USD1. In that day, the market price of USD1 was increased to 0.0127 USD1. It is 2.41%. 128 USD1 was the profit at that day. And in this one day, 597.194 thousand Bitcoin has been 1000 B has been traded. On next day, the market price of B was open at this point. Market price was open at 0.5463 USDT. Market price went up and was closed at 0.5518 USD1. So market price of USD of the B was increased to 0.0056 USD1. It is 1.03%. 56 B USD1 was the profit, and in this one bar means one day 500.438 thousand B has been traded. Next one is also a bullish candle on 24 July 2025. The market price of B was opened at 0.5518 B USD1, and market price went up and was closed at 0.5753 USD1. So market price of B was increased to 0.0235 USD1. It is 4.26%, and 235 USD1 was the profit. In this one day, 510.777 thousand B has been traded. And this is the doji candlestick. It shows that now the market price will go down, because market price was going up, and this is the doji candlestick. It shows that the market price of B was open at 0.5755 USDT. Market price first went up to this point, then market price went down, and then market price increased and was closed at this point. Or it can be possible that market price first went down, then market price has increased to this point, then again market price went down and was closed at this point. So this is a doji candlestick. Next day, the market price had dropped down because there was a doji candlestick. The market price of Ethereum, market price of B was open at this point. This is red candle, so market price will open on the top side. Market price went down and was closed at this point. So let's see. So market price of B was open at 0.5735 USDT. It went down and was closed at 0.5611 USD1. It is 0.0124 USD. It is 2.16%. There was a loss of 124 USD1, and in this one day 56.142 B has been traded. Now let's go to the next one pair, and next one is a BNB to USD1 trading pair. Let's click on it. And this is BNB, and the current market price of BNB is 780.9 USD, and its market price had increased to 17.3 USD1, and it is 2.26%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of USD1 was 780. BNB was 784.6 USD1, and the lowest market price of BNB was 755.9 USD1. In last 24 hours, 3.3 thousand BNB has been traded, and in last 24 hours, 2.55 million BNB has been traded. Let's get some information about the BNB. Binance Coin BNB is a decentralized digital asset issued by Binance with a fixed supply of 200 million. BNB is burned quarterly based on trading volume with transparent records until the supply records to 100 million. It is used to offset transaction fees up to 50% discounts, enable payments via Monaco Visa, and purchase virtual gifts on UpLive. BNB ranks within the top 20 cryptocurrencies globally, peaking at the top 10, and is supported by users in over 180 countries. BNB is ranking on number 5, and its market cap is 108.77 billion USDT. Its circulating supply is 139.29 million BNB. It was released on 25 July 2017. Its issue price was 0.15 USDT. All-time highest market price of BNB was 808 USDT. Was issued on 23 July 2015. All-time lowest market price of BNB was 0.03981 USDT. It was issued on 19 October 2017. Here listed CXR 177 and market sentiment is positive. And who are the let's see who are the team members. The first one is Change Ping Zhao, and next is Yi He. And this is Yi He. Let's zoom. These are the team members. The first one is Changping Zihao, and he is the co-founder of the BNB, and she is the co-founder chief Yi He. And you can buy and sell like the other coins. I have told you how to buy and sell. This is the section you can buy and sell here. This is the buy button and sell, but buy BNB and sell BNB. Let's go to again back and go back. We have explained the BNB. And now let's see the TRX to USD1. And let's click on it. And this is the TRX, and its current market price is 0.3174 USD1, and its market price is going to increase. The current market price of TRX has increased to 0.0039 USD1. It is 1.24%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of TRX was 0.3178 USD1, and lowest market price was 0.3121 USD1. And in last 24 hours, 6.31 million TRX has been traded, and 1.99 million USD1 has been traded on this TRX. And let's open the chart of this TRX. And we are doing TRX. Let's write here TRX. TRX USD1. So TRX market price was first day all coins market price had increased. So on first day the market price of TRX was open at 0.3096 USDT, and it has increased, and it was increased to 0.3155 USD1. So 0.0058 USD1 was the profit. Market has increased. It was 1.9%, and 59 USD1 was the profit here. And in this one day, 4.675 million USD X TRX has been traded. Next, the market price went down, and market price of TRX was opened at this point. Market price, market price was open at this point. Market price went down and was closed at this point. So market price of TRX was open at 0.3158 USD1, and it has decreased to 0.3095 USD1. So market price had decreased to 0.0062 USDT. It is 1.99%. So 63 USD1 was the loss in this day, and in this one bar mean one day 5.724 million USD1 TRX has been traded. So its market is not changing a lot. So let's read the next candle. This is the bullish candle. It is 24 July 2025. On that day, the market price of TRX was opened at 0.309 USD1, and market price went up, and was closed at 0.3136 USD1. And market price has increased to 0.0044 USD1. It is 1.44%. 45 TRX 45 USD1 was the profit in this one day. 6.285 million TRX has been traded. On next day, the market price of the TRX was opened at this point 0.3136 USD1, and market price went up and was closed at 0.3166 USD1. It is 0.0029 increase of market, and it is 0.95%. 30 USD1 was the profit in this one day, and in this one day the 3.819 million TRX has been traded. On today, means 26 July 2025, the market price of TRX was opened at this point. Market price went up and was closed at this point. So it was opened at 0.3166 USD1 and was closed at 0.3177 USD1. Market price has increased to 0.0010. It is 0.34%, and 11 USD1 was the profit. 597.676 thousand TRX has been traded in this one day. Let's read the information about this TRX1. In the May 2022, Wavefield Tron announced the launch of USDT, a decentralized ultra collateralized stablecoin backed by industry or central bank of cryptocurrencies. Wavefield joined Reserve and Wavefield Tron officially entered the era of decentralized stablecoins. In October of same year, Dominica announced that Wavefield Tron was its officially designated national blockchain infrastructure, and Wavefield Tron thus became a large public chain that had entered into a partnership with the sovereign state to develop blockchain infrastructure. TRX is ranking on number 11, and its market cap is 30.12 billion USDT, and its circulating supply is 94.73 billion TRX. Its release date is 2017.06.30, mean 30 June 2017, and its issue price was 0.0015 USDT. Now let's see who are the Justin Sun is the team member here. Let's go to back, and next one is Doggy 2 USD1. Let's click on it. Doggy coin. And the current market price of Doggy coin is 0.2369 USD1, and its market price has increased to 0.0089 USD1. It is 3.89%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of Doggy was 0.2378 USD1, and the lowest price of Doggy was 0.2212 USD1. In last 24 hours, 8.6 million USD Doggy has been traded, and in last 24 hours, 1.98 million USDT has been traded with Doggy. And let's read this chart, and this is the Doggy coin. First of all, we will write here that is it doggy. DOGE. Doggy spot trading. So on the first day, the market price of doggy was opened at it was open at 0.2666 USD1. Market price went up and was closed at let's see. It was closed at 0.2705. So market price of the doggy was increased to 0.0038 USD1. It is 1.45%. 39 USD1 was the profit. In this one day, 5.089 million doggy has been traded. On next day, on the 23 July 2025, the market price of doggy was open at this point, though it is 0.2705 USD1. Market price went down and was closed at it was closed at 0.2406 USD1, and it is 0.0. Market price had decreased to 0.03. It is 11.09%. 300 USD1 was the loss in that day, and 6.724 million doggy has been traded. On next day, the market price of the doggy was also bearish, and the doggy market price was open at this point 0.2401 USDT, and market price went down and was closed at 0.2320 USD1, and market price had decreased to 0.0181 USD1. It is 3.39%, and 81 USD1 was the loss at that day, and 7.627 million doggy has been traded in this one day. Now from previous day and today, the market price of doggy is going to increase, and the market price of doggy on 25 July 2025 was opened at 0.2320 USD1, and market price went up and was closed at 0.2365 USD1, and market price was increased to 0.0045 USD1. It is 1.94%. 45 USD1 was the profit in this one day. 5.078 million and doggy has been traded, and today the market price had increased, and today the market price of doggy has was open at it was open at 0.12365 USDT, and market price went up and was closed at 0.2371 USD1, and it is 0.008 increase in USD1. It is 0.36%. 9 USD1 was the profit, and 1.02 million doggy has been traded in the one day. Let's read the information about this doggy coin. Doggy coin, some people call it a dog coin. Dog coin was born on December 8, 2013. Based on this script algorithm, and Dogecoin is the second largest virtual currency in the world after Bitcoin. Dogecoin creators envisaged it as a fun, light-hearted cryptocurrency that would have greater appeal beyond the core Bitcoin audience, since it was based on a dog meme. And its Billy Marcos is the co-founder, and Jackson Palmer is the co-founder. It is ranking on number 9, and its market cap is 35.6 billion USDT. Its circulating supply is 150.24 billion dog, and its release date was 11 December 2013. Now let's go to the next coin or next pair, and next is SUI to USD1 trading. And here is SUI, and its market price is 3.982 USD1. Its market price had increased to 0.311 USD1. It is 8.46%. In last 24 hours, the highest market price of SUI was 4.003 USD1, and in last 24 hours, the lowest market price of SUI was 3.61 USD1. In last 24 hours, the 427.36 thousand USD1 has been traded. SUI has been traded, and in last 24 hours, 1.63 million USD1 has been traded. Let's go to the chart of this, and you can buy and sell. I have told you method how to buy and sell. And here let's see its market, and we have opened the daily chart. On first day, the market price of the USD of the SUI was opened at 3.901 USD1. Market price went up, and it was closed at 4.008 USD1. And market price had increased to 0.106 USD1. It is 2.73%. And 107 USD1 was the profit. In this one day, 300.123 thousand USD1 has been this SUI has been traded. On next day, market price went down. So market price was open at this point. Market price went down, and was closed at 3.727 USD1. So market price of the SUI means SUI has decreased to 0.278 USD1. It is 6.94%, and 278 USD1 was the loss. In this one bar, 177.987 thousand SUI has been traded. This is a doji candlestick. When you see the doji candlestick, it means that market price will be reversal. And when you see it on bottom, then market price will increase. When you see it on the top, then market price will decrease. And next is on 25 July, the market price has increased. So market price of SUI was open at 3.727 USDT. Market price went up and was increased to 3.947 USD1. 0.237 USD1 was the profit, and 6.4%. It was 6.4%. 237 USD1 was the profit, and in this one bar one day, 257.535 SUI has been traded. On 2 days, the market price of SUI is opened at it was opened at 3.941 USDT1. Market price went down up and was closed at 3.991 USD1. You can buy and sell from this interface. And let's read the information about the SUI. SUI is an unauthorized layer 1 blockchain designed from the scratch, allowing creators and developers to establish an experience that satisfies the next billion users in Web3. SUI is horizontally scalable, supporting a wide range of applications and development with unparalleled speed and low cost. And the market cap, you can see this is market cap means how many USDT has been invested in this SUI. 13.76 billion USDT has been invested in this SUI, and SUI is ranking on number 16. And let's see its release date. It was released on 2 May 2023. Its issue price was 0.1 USDT. All-time highest market price of SUI was 5.3674 USDT, and lowest price was 0.3624 USDT, and its market sentiment is positive today. Let's go back, and next one is EGL1 to USDT1. Let's click on it, and here is EGL1, Eagle landing. Eagle's landing, and its market cap is 0.10049. Its market price had decreased to 0.00559 USD1. It is 5.27%. And you can see how Eagle landing, the market price had decreased, so its market is bearish now, and it is not good to invest. Let's read the information about it. Eagle landing EGL1 is the first superhero meme coin on BSC, soaring straight out from the four meme. Eagle 1 embodies the bold heart of American spirit and culture in full Marvel comic glory. America first, EGL first. It is ranking on 462, and its market cap is 101.63 million USDT. Circulating supply is 1.001 billion. Eagle EGL1. Trading will start on July 22. Trading has been started on July 22, 2025, and today is 26 at 6 UTC. Gate will continue to launch more high-quality trading pairs. Please stay tuned for official announcements. And thank you for your support and trust in Gate. And Gate team, July 2025, gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in a welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn 40% commission. Let's see this. Go to the more section and go to this referral. First of all, invite. Here is invite two friends to get 20 USDT. Each friend will receive 5 USDT. Boosted, and this boost was failed. I have not invited. Boost progress. Boost account once your friend completes a valid trade. And invite friends to boost. Invite friends to boost. Next one is super commission. And in this super commission, you will get 40% commission. Invite friends and earn up to 40% commission. Earn together as your friends trade. Click on invite now, and you can see here is your referral code invite link. You can copy this link. You can download this, and you can share on Telegram, WhatsApp, X, Facebook, LinkedIn, Line, and email. And Gate to earn. Collect keys to open the gate for up to 500 USDT. Collect key pieces, and I have collected 25. For each friend invite who completes sign up and identity verification, you will get 10 pieces. For each friend who invited who complete the first deposit, you will get 20 plus pieces. For each friend invited who complete the spot trading of at least 200 USDT, you will get 20 pieces, and for each friend invited who complete future trading of at least 1000 USDT, you will get 40 pieces. For each friend invited who complete alpha trading of at least 100 USDT, you will get 10 pieces. Here are the 3 facts. What rewards can be unlocked with the key USDT future voucher and fee saver VIP plus 120 points USDT newly listed on Gate and popular meme coin. The prize pool is updated daily. How to obtain a key? Complete tasks to earn key pieces. Completing tasks multiple times allow you to collect more pieces. Every 100 pieces will automatically be combined into a key and distributed to your account. What is the validity period of the key? Each key is valid for 14 days from the combination. After this period, it will expire and become invalid. You need to use the key within 14 days to unlock the Gate prize pool and claim your rewards which will be distributed to your account immediately. Gate keys cannot be returned once used. Okay, thank you guys for watching my stream. Now I am going to end this live stream.